Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to watch more creative videos on image processing. As we have gone through many videos on image processing such as image cropping, then taking screenshot, then HSV image, then steganography using image steganography, and many more videos on image processing. Today's video is really interesting. We are going to see in today's video inpainting of image in Python. So let us go through detail in brief what is inpainting. Generative AI. So image inpainting is a part of generative artificial intelligence, image generation. Image inpainting definition part: the technique of repairing or replacing damaged areas in a picture is called inpainting. Images can be painted while keeping their general composition and substance intact by using stable diffusion. We will see later on about new videos on stable diffusion. So go through the program first. First of all, importing required library needed for the program, then read the image carbon.jpg, then same image we need to convert, we need to damage that image. So this for loop is for converting all pixel greater than 0 to black while black becomes white. Then show the original image, show the damaged image, mask, then show the write the mask image and show the mask image, then inpainting image here, mask image and this part original image. So this is function of inpainting the image and mask image, and at the last inpainting image. Now I will execute the program. So this is original image, this is damage image, and this is inpainting image. So I have successfully done with inpainting of the image using Python. I will try to explain in brief about masking image. Image masking is a method used in photo editing to separate or isolate the specific area of image from the rest, permitting more explicit editing and manipulation. It works for this. You cover this part you wish to concern. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Tell your comments after watching the video. Thanks for watching.